Hello everyone. In this figure, we are having a right angle triangle ABC. C is the 90-degree angle. Inside on CB there is a point D, and this is the point joined by on the point E in such a way that AE is equal to A and EAB is equal to 3 times A. It means EB is thrice of AE. EB is equal to 3 times AE. Okay. This is the black region area. We have to find the area of this black region. Okay. In order to find the area of the black region, first of all, let us drop the perpendicular from this point. Let us suppose this is point F. Hence, the area will be area of the black region. This will be equal to किसके बराबर हो जाएगा? This is 1/2 base. Base is equal to AE into DF, which is equal to, let us suppose that DF is equal to H. Okay, so we can write it as 1/2 A into H. This is to be find area A into H. Now our aim is to find 1/2 A into H. Okay, this is our aim. Okay, now this is H as we assume. Okay, now let us see that this is right angle triangle and this is also right angle triangle ADC. This is tan so that we can find the value of AC. So in triangle ADC AD square, this will be equal to CD square plus AC square. Correct? Very correct. This is tan square. It means this is 100 and this is CD is equal to 6 square, that is 36, plus AC is to be obtained. Hence AC square, this will be equal to 100 minus 36, that is 64, or we can say that AC will be equal to 8 centimeter. It means the side, this because we have calculated equal to 8 centimeter. Correct. Now, our aim is to find A and H. Okay. Let us suppose this angle is equal to theta. Okay. This angle is existing in two right angle triangle. One is this DFB where this is 90 and in triangle ACB where this is 90. It means they are having this triangle angle is equal to this angle. This is very much common and hence this total angle will be equal to this angle. They having the angle similarity quality. It means their ratio of their corresponding sides will be इक्वल, क्योंकि इनके तीनों कोण, एक इसका अंदर 90 डिग्री है, इसके अंदर भी 90 डिग्री है, ये थीटा कोण इस ट्रायंगल के अंदर भी है और इस ट्रायंगल के अंदर भी है, तो ये वाला कोण जो होगा ए, ये इस कोण के बराबर होगा, यानी इनके अंदर एंगल सिमिलरिटी थ्योरी है, एंगल सिमिलरिटीज है, तो इनके कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग साइड का रेशियो बराबर होगा. सो दैट in order to find H, we can say that we consider this for this angle theta in this triangle DFB for this perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse for theta in triangle DFB. DFB, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This is H upon hypotenuse 8. This will be also equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse in this triangle. Equal to in triangle ABC for angle theta perpendicular upon hypotenuse. For angle theta perpendicular is equal to AC upon hypotenuse is equal to 4A. Okay, they both will be equal to each other. The ratio of this will be equal. So we can put H upon 8. This will be equal to AC. AC is equal to 8. AC we have obtained, already calculated by us, 8 upon 4A. Or we can say H is equal to 8 into 8 upon 4 times A, that is 16 upon A. H is equal to 16 times A. Okay. H is equal to 16 upon A. Now we can see here, because this is the perpendicular drop from here, this is A and this is 3A. It means this portion will be equal to, this will be the perpendicular bisector, and as this will be equal to A and this will be equal to 2A. Okay, now we can apply another theory, which by applying that this is 2A square in Pythagoras, applying the Pythagoras theorem in DFB. No, not necessary, because we have to find the value of A. Now from here, H into A, this will be equal to 16. From here, H into A is equal to 16. Okay? When H into A is equal to 16, it means area which is to be obtained. A will be equal to 1 by 2 into 16. That is 8 centimeter square. This is the answer. It was easy. What we have done, क्या किया हमने? Simply H drop किया, perpendicular drop किया, perpendicular से हमने इसको ratio perpendicular upon hypotenuse लिया, perpendicular H upon 8 for this angle, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. इस ट्राइंगल के लिए, इसी एंगल के लिए perpendicular upon hypotenuse, perpendicular is equal to 8, hypotenuse is equal to 4A. So 8A, H upon 8 is equal to 8 upon 4A. So H into A, this becomes equal to 16. And area is equal to 1 by 2, this base into this height. This is 8. It was very easy but tricky. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. And then don't forget to like and subscribe me. Wait for another exacting video. Completion की तैयारी कीजिए. Different completions में आता है. Please watch my all the playlist also there. On the different topic you can watch it. Okay. Thank you. Keep enjoying your life. Okay. Good luck for you. Thank you. Good night. Good luck.